Imagine asking a computer to write a poem, summarize a news article, or even generate a piece of code, and it responds almost instantly with coherent, human-like text. This isn't science fiction, it's the magic of large language models, or LLMs. These powerful tools have revolutionized how we interact with technology, transforming everyday tasks and unlocking new creative possibilities. But how does this technology work its magic? How can a machine understand and generate text that seems so convincingly human? To answer these questions, we need to dive into the fascinating world of LLMs. Chapter 2. Decoding the LLM acronym. So what exactly is a large language model? In simple terms, an LLM is an advanced type of artificial intelligence that has been trained on massive amounts of text data. This training allows it to learn patterns, structures, and nuances of human language, enabling it to generate text that is remarkably similar to what a human might write. Think of LLMs as having read virtually every book, article, and piece of content ever written on the internet. By processing this enormous amount of text, they learn the rules of grammar, vocabulary, context, and even the subtle art of storytelling. Why are LLMs such a big deal? They are revolutionizing our interactions with computers. They can automate mundane tasks, assist in complex problem solving, and even inspire creativity. From generating content for writers and marketers to providing instant language translation and support in medical diagnostics, LLMs are reshaping various industries and making our lives more efficient and innovative. Chapter 3. Training Day. Training an LLM is akin to teaching a student the rules of a language through extensive reading. The process involves feeding the model vast amounts of text data from books, articles, and websites to code repositories and more. The model then analyzes this data, learning patterns and structures that help it understand how language works. Imagine a student learning a new language by reading thousands of books and articles. Over time, they start recognizing patterns such as common phrases, grammatical rules, and contextual meanings. Similarly, LLMs learn from the text data, building a sophisticated understanding of language that enables them to generate coherent and contextually appropriate text. The training process is computationally intensive and requires powerful hardware, but the result is a model capable of performing a wide range of language-related tasks with impressive accuracy. Chapter 4. The Transformer Architecture. At the heart of most LLMs is a powerful model called the transformer. The transformer architecture is designed to handle the complexity of natural language by processing input text in parallel rather than sequentially. This allows the model to understand and generate text more efficiently. Visualize the transformer as a highly organized team of specialists, each focusing on different aspects of the text. When given an input, the transformer divides the text into smaller chunks, processes them simultaneously, and then reassembles the results to produce coherent output. This parallel processing enables the transformer to handle long pieces of text and maintain context across sentences and paragraphs. Transformers are particularly adept at capturing relationships between words and phrases, making them ideal for tasks that require a deep understanding of context and meaning. Chapter 5. Attention is all you need. One of the key innovations that make transformers so effective is the concept of attention. Attention mechanisms allow the model to focus on different parts of the input text to understand the context and relationships between words. This ability to selectively attend to specific information is crucial for generating accurate and relevant text. Think of attention as a conversation at a crowded party. When someone is speaking, you focus on their words while filtering out background noise. Similarly, LLMs use attention mechanisms to concentrate on important parts of the input, ensuring that the generated text is contextually appropriate and coherent. By employing attention, LLMs can handle complex language tasks, such as translating languages, summarizing long documents, and even answering questions based on detailed information. Chapter 6. Beyond Chatbots. While chatbots are among the most visible applications of large language models, LLMs, their potential extends far beyond this single use case. Let's explore the diverse and transformative applications of LLMs across various fields. Content creation. One of the most revolutionary applications of LLMs is in content creation. Writers, marketers, and content creators use LLMs to generate articles, blog posts, social media updates, and marketing copy. These models can draft text that captures the desired tone, style, and message, saving time and boosting productivity. Imagine a marketer needing to create multiple versions of an ad copy tailored to different audiences. An LLM can handle this efficiently, providing high-quality variations quickly. Language translation. LLMs provide near-instantaneous and highly accurate translations between numerous languages, breaking down communication barriers. Services like Google Translate use LLMs to translate text, websites, and even spoken words in real time. This capability facilitates global communication and collaboration, making it easier for people from different linguistic backgrounds to interact and understand each other. Code generation. Developers leverage LLMs to write code snippets, debug programs, and even generate entire software modules. Tools like GitHub Copilot, powered by OpenAI's Codex, assist programmers by suggesting code completions, identifying errors, and automating repetitive tasks. This not only accelerates the development process, but also helps developers learn new programming languages and techniques. Medical diagnosis. Support. In healthcare, LLMs analyze medical records, suggest potential diagnoses, and recommend treatment plans. These models can process vast amounts of medical literature and patient data, providing healthcare professionals with valuable insights and supporting clinical decision-making. For example, an LLM can help doctors identify patterns in patient symptoms that might indicate a rare disease, enabling quicker and more accurate diagnoses. Customer service. Automated customer support systems powered by LLMs handle inquiries, resolve issues, and provide personalized assistance 24/7. These systems improve customer experience by offering immediate responses and solutions. For instance, a customer support chatbot can guide users through troubleshooting steps, answer frequently asked questions, and escalate complex issues to human agents when necessary. Educational tools. LLMs are being used to create personalized educational experiences. They can generate customized lesson plans, provide explanations for complex concepts, and offer interactive learning experiences. For example, an LLM-based tutor can help students with their homework, explain difficult topics in different ways, and adapt to the student's learning pace and style. Creative industries. In the arts, LLMs assist artists, musicians, and designers in brainstorming ideas and generating creative content. For example, an LLM can help a screenwriter develop dialogue for a movie script, assist a poet in crafting verses, or generate prompts for visual artists. These tools enhance creativity by providing fresh perspectives and ideas. Chapter 7. Ethical considerations. While LLMs offer numerous benefits, they also raise important ethical considerations that must be addressed to ensure their responsible use. Here are some key issues. Bias. Since LLMs learn from vast amounts of text data, they can inadvertently incorporate biases present in that data. This can lead to biased or unfair outcomes in their generated text, reinforcing stereotypes and perpetuating discrimination. For example, an LLM trained on biased data might produce gender-biased job recommendations or racially insensitive language. Addressing bias requires careful dataset curation, ongoing monitoring, and implementing techniques to mitigate biased outputs. Misinformation. LLMs can generate convincing but false information, which can be problematic in areas like news, health, and finance. Ensuring the accuracy and reliability of information generated by LLMs is crucial to prevent the spread of falsehoods. For instance, an LLM providing medical advice must ensure that the information is accurate and up-to-date to avoid potential harm to patients. Job displacement. As LLMs become more capable of performing tasks traditionally done by humans, there is a risk of job losses in certain industries. For example, automated customer support systems might reduce the need for human agents. It is essential to find a balance between leveraging LLM's capabilities and ensuring job security for workers. This could involve upskilling workers to manage and work alongside LLMs, creating new job opportunities. Privacy. The use of LLMs, especially in customer service and healthcare, raises concerns about data privacy and security. Ensuring that sensitive data is handled responsibly and securely is paramount to maintaining user trust. Implementing strong data protection measures and obtaining explicit consent from users are critical steps in addressing privacy concerns. To address these challenges, responsible development and use of LLMs are paramount. This includes incorporating ethical guidelines, conducting rigorous testing, and implementing mechanisms to detect and mitigate bias and misinformation. Developers and organizations must prioritize transparency, accountability, and inclusivity in the design and deployment of LLMs. Chapter 8. The future of language and AI. The future of LLMs is both exciting and full of possibilities. As technology advances, we can expect more sophisticated models with enhanced capabilities. These future LLMs will be able to understand and generate text with even greater accuracy, making them indispensable tools in various domains. More sophisticated models, future LLMs will continue to improve in their ability to understand and generate text. Advances in neural network architectures, training techniques, and computational power will enable the development of models that can handle more complex tasks, understand nuanced language, and generate highly coherent and contextually appropriate text. Increased accessibility. As LLM technology becomes more affordable and widespread, it will be integrated into everyday applications, making our interactions with technology more seamless and intuitive. Imagine voice assistants that understand and respond to complex queries, or educational tools that provide personalized learning experiences. Integration into daily life. The integration of LLMs into our daily lives will transform how we work, communicate, and create. From personalized content recommendations to advanced problem-solving assistance, LLMs will continue to shape the future of technology and human interaction. For example, future LLMs could provide real-time language translation during international conferences, allowing participants to communicate effortlessly across language barriers. Emerging technologies. The integration of LLMs with other emerging technologies, such as augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, will open up new possibilities for immersive and interactive experiences. For instance, an LLM integrated with AR could provide real-time information and translations as users explore new environments, enhancing travel and educational experiences. Enhanced creativity. As LLMs become more capable, they will continue to assist artists, writers, and creators in exploring new creative possibilities. Future LLMs could generate entire novels, compose music, or create visual art, pushing the boundaries of human creativity. Ethical and responsible AI. The future development of LLMs will also focus on addressing ethical considerations and ensuring responsible use. This includes developing techniques to detect and mitigate bias, ensuring data privacy and security, and promoting transparency and accountability in AI systems. In conclusion, large language models are a groundbreaking advancement in artificial intelligence, revolutionizing our interactions with technology and opening up new possibilities in various fields. Their ability to understand and generate human-like text makes them powerful tools for automation, creativity, and enhanced communication. As we continue to explore and develop LLM technology, we are on the brink of a new era in which AI and language converge to create a smarter, more connected world. As we conclude this exploration of LLMs, we leave you with an open-ended question. What new possibilities will arise as LLMs become more advanced and integrated into our lives? The future is full of potential, and it is up to us to harness the power of LLMs responsibly and creatively. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the fascinating world of large language models. If you found this video informative and engaging, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on technology and innovation. Together, let's explore the limitless possibilities of AI and language.